Welcome, today I am in Alfa Romeo Giulia and I will show you how we can enable or disable passenger airbag. So first we have to go for the settings. Next we have to scroll to the safety. Go below for the passenger airbag. Click continue. And as you can see right now I'm going to disable this option. So click continue and then confirm to send front passenger airbag to off. So click yes. As you can see, the request was sent and we have to verify the airbag protection status on the dome light. Then click continue one more time. And to turn it on back, just enter, click continue one more time, and then as you can see when we have this notification, we have to click yes and we are going to turn on back the passenger airbag. Click continue one more time and then we can just go back. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.